Testing?
Crowley needs to burp someone.
If I get the chicken, it's like a minute.
Where are you gonna sit?
And Becca's crazy.